Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change video quality in screen recorder into XIAOMI Black Shark 4. First of all, find on your XIAOMI Black Shark in standard tools it will be screen recorder application, this one. It's standard application in this Android, so click it, go into this application, and on the top right corner we got settings, so click it, and here first option will be resolution of our screen recorder, and next option it's video quality. You can change, for example, for another option, and for saving need choosing, and it's saved automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.